friends, it's me and Cynthia again. And today she's going to do my hair. Oh my gosh! Okay. So she was thinking about cutting my hair a little bit, so I didn't want to.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah.
So, okay.
She's just gonna do a little bit maybe.
Oh my gosh. This is something. Oh, this is nothing. This looks hard. This one.
Hell, my hair is a mess. Of course. What's that shot?
To skasovali jsme. Tady je svadošno.
No, så ses man knappt att
Nej, jag... Nej, mamma är dålig. Den är så kittig. För idag.
This girl right here.
I'm crazy.
Yeah, that's right. She is crazy. She's a crazy.
Okay. So, over here.
I'm gonna read Dork Diary or what the fuck. It's my dork. Did you even finish and what?
No!
What the fuck?
Esto es algo que never asked.
Carving.
Esto.
Carving. What is it? Your internet will come out.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's looking better.
I hate you. That's what I'm gonna say. I just hate you. Yeah.
What do I want? Oh, there's something I can look. Okay, let me still out.
Sport spy. Check out.
Sorry, it's freezing.
Sorry, what I'm sorry, thank you.
Okay.
Daddy.
It's your turn, motherfucker! Hello?
What now?
What's the lock to the fish from the fish?
Что спирит шалила в буке.
Kas ko? Tā, cik tu garus gribi? Tu gribi tā kā... Nē, tev nezinu.
Ko? Nē, es nesmu mūs.
Varbūt tā nav varēšana.
Šodien nokrits. Ko tu šeit?
Bet Dagni arī var. Fū, netīši.
Māma nav bijis speciāli šampūnu. Tas man vienkārši šodien matas tāds pufīgs kā viena no tiem hipijiem.
Pag negriezies, nu. Tu zini, ka tikai frizieriem nedrīkst griezties.
Fuck you, tu nezini, kā tu frīties joprojām.
Nu, bet es tur nogriezīšu nepareizi nāc.
Ja tu man nogriezīsi pilnīgi puškā, es tev iekrausīšu. Es tev iekrausīšu tā, ka tev vispār sāpēs viss steigt.
Saka, tā.
I don't give a fuck. I don't trust you.
Ej, tu nāc, tev labi izskats. Tiešām labi.
Es varētu iedomāties, kā visam būtu garlaicīgi. Everybody's just gonna be like pissed at like you're taking too long. Yeah.
Labāk pasies zemes, cik daudz ko notiek.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Bet pasies viņai labāk, tik izskats pagriezes. Look at her!
I hate it.
Stop his back.
I hate it.
Turn back.
Fuck you.
Pasies tik labi, vai ne?
Ash, you have the ass of Nicki Minaj.
have a preference for you.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be
Pagam
your
dari situ apa sih? Nah, naik dari
Yeah, Michael Jackson.
Is it cool?
I'm gonna show you what tickles. In your face. My fist in your face.
Tu gribi, lai apakšā tā bišķi garāk nekā augšā? Nē. Tad tur būs bišķi garāki. Tā, kā jūs šeit būs garāk, šeit būs visāk.
Silly stash. Jau iet 5 minūtes.
No, piecīs ir vēl ilgāk ir. Beautiful! Fabulous!
It's not called being a lesbian. It's called being fabulous. Please don't like it. Fuck you.
Sorry, better stop this stuff. Gorgeous hair. Okay, stop over here and then we're done. Wat is this piece?
Mijn name's Sam.
Wat is mijn naam zijn? Verkeerde beetje.
Here's my
If
big
you
dog.
have bald hair, dat is mijn naam zijn. Want dat is blogger. Oké, dat is nog weer bald hair.
Show you bald hair.
I'll show you bald.
If I'll have bald hair, then she's gonna have bald hair. Then we'll be really big cousins and good.
And good.
And we're gonna be inside.
Hold on, stop.
And then I'll fucking kill you for making me ugly. Fuck you. Fuck you, I am ugly. My life's always been ugly. So much. And I feel bad. Why the fuck are you taking so long?
Because I'm crazy.
What did you decide?
Oi, shit, what are you doing?
Oh.
And a little bit shade, a little bit. I'll say when I'm done. I'll say. Hey, don't do this. It's gross. No, bet tu labi taisni. Labi, man nav poļas taisni, bet man nav profesionāli šķiet. Tas būs īstenībā.
Okay, now.
Pagriezies, bet kā es griežīšu? Tu jau man tas vairs neatlaidīsi.
Varbūt. Es vēl padomāšu.
Mīļi, ka tev pašas. Okay. Oh my gosh, you're so precious. Over here. And I think we're... It was sort of choking on this.
Ja, oké, dan moet ik het
Okay, for the next video we'll make a choker for her. I don't know how it's choker, but it's how... Okay, chalk is like this thing, like from here,
Twilight Sparkles.
or like this.
I'm gonna be Twilight Sparkle for a while.
Okay, bye guys.